Discovered back in the mid-19th century by George Boole, Boolean search is a logistical language using terms and, or, and not that would revolutionize research and make finding information better and more efficient with more focused results.
Cool. Okay, we recognize the important contribution of Mr. Boole to online research today, but let's skip the history lesson and get into learning how to create better searches to produce better results in Nexis Uni. Using terms and connectors, also known as Boolean search, to search Nexis Uni can help. The advanced search page, found under the search box, is a terms and connectors query builder and a great place to build searches using Boolean search connectors and document segments. On the right is a list of these common connectors and descriptions on how to use them. Use quotes with exact phrases, and requires all terms to appear in results, or requires any terms to appear, and use and not to exclude terms. Find terms within a certain distance of each other by using proximity connectors. And use wildcards like the exclamation point or asterisk to find word variations. Click View All Connectors and Commands to open a help file for more information and find additional connectors. You can search everything from this page or select a content search form from the pull-down list. Build a search by entering terms in the desired connector boxes and click Add to place them in the search box above. Now let's replace some of the connectors with proximity connectors so our terms are closer to each other, and add wildcards to some of the search terms for word variations. Document segments is another Boolean search technique that narrows results to terms found in specific segments of a document, like the headline of a news article. As terms are entered into the segment boxes, they are automatically added to the search box above. The results show the highlighted terms used in the search. As your Boolean search skills increase, searches can be entered directly into the search box of the homepage, and you'll start writing search queries that George Boole would be proud of.